Volvo 850 door handle. This big plastic trim on your door panel, which likes to break a lot. Hi, I'm Peter and I work with 3D printing and 3D designing. In this video, I will show you my Volvo 850 door handle 3D design and 3D print. First, I bought a design online for 20 euros, which just didn't work. It was bad, so I designed my own. That's what I do. I get angry and I design stuff. Once I was there, I redesigned it and simplified it a bit. But why do we need this? Most of the door handles look like this by now. The cars are like 27, 34 years old. You can still buy one, actually, in blue and dark gray color. But who knows until when? But we have 3D printers! So I 3D printed the design in 4 pieces, not this, the other one. And I sent it to a guy who told me it's not good. These things, these legs, just don't fit the holes. So I got 2 door panels and I designed my own and tested my own. I used the original model and redesigned it with some modifications. I cut off the things which are not needed for this to operate, and I designed a rivet thingy on them. The original fixing process is with a screw, not screw, it's like a, I don't know. You see the thread, but I don't like the thread and 3D printing doesn't like threads. So I designed this rivet thingy. You just push it on. That's how it fixes. I'll show you in a video in a moment. Now they are easy to put in and get out. And if someone tries to get it out without taking the door panel off, it doesn't break. This thing doesn't break. The rivet thingy is designed to be weaker than the handle, so the handle doesn't break, the rivet breaks. These look like this for a reason. Some barbarians try to take them out. Here you can see the prototyping process and the final product and the little rivets, and this is how you put it in the door panel. So here's our door panel. You take out the old handle, put in the new 3D printed one, then you rotate the whole thing. It's so strong, I can hold the whole door panel with it. Now come the rivets. You just slide them on until they click. Done. It doesn't move, dance or go anywhere. It's done. But how can you get one? I put a link in the description where you can download it. It's only for personal use. Please don't use it for commercial purposes. If I find a way to send it worldwide cost effectively, I will update the description with a link for buying it from me. For now, you can only buy it from me if you are located in Hungary. If you want to 3D print it yourself, watch out for the material you use. Use at least ABS or ASA plastic because of the interior temperatures of the car during summer. Watch out for warping. Use an enclosed 3D printer. And use a big printer. This thing is 200 millimeters on the longest side. You can't print it with anything. Important. Don't buy the other design online. These things don't match with the holes on the door panel. They are not there. This is like 3-4 millimeters away from it. And they don't have this rivet lock solution, so mine is better. I am not going to ask my money back from the guy who designed it because it helped me a lot with the design. It saved me a lot of time. So buy mine design or design your own. Thanks for watching this video. Check the links in the description. There are 3D models, t-shirts, caps, eBay products, and many more. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!